Hi, my name's Scott with MarineMax here at Greenville, South Carolina. I do a video walkthrough of our 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This has the really cool bow on it. It's got the backrest here, so you can sit or it can slide out. Obviously, you can put it away, but you can just hang out up here, big old playpen area. Nice, big, huge bow. Even got a little storage under there when you do that. Over here, got the flip back co-captain's bench seat, so you can sit either way. Nice attention to detail in the stitching on this boat. It's a beautiful boat, very spacey 21-foot boat. Nice playpen seating. You got the nice sun pad here in the back. One thing that's really nice, you got the walk through on these boats, so you can step right on down. Little jump seat here, and the helm. We got the Fusion stereo with the Simrad navigation. This does have the water sports tower. It's got the Merc Cruiser in it. Fantastic boat. Come on out, check this boat out. It'll be at MarineMax Greenville, at our store here in Greenville. It'll be online on our website, and you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Thank you.